And how you going? It's Kim from Marketing Entourage here, and today I'm going to teach you how to set up a Facebook page for your business. So make sure you have a pen and paper handy to take some notes for each step. And also, before we get started, Ashley, I'd like you to just give yourself a quick rating out of 5 on how confident you actually feel about setting up this page. So I'll let you quickly do that before we dive in. It's actually a lot easier than you think. So where we want to go is we want to go to this website here. So www.facebook.com/business. And we want to go to the Get Started menu to Facebook and then to Facebook pages. So Facebook actually has some instructions here and a bit more about what pages actually can do for your business. But we're going to go through that in this video. So simply just head to create a page. And we'll go through the steps today. So you want to pick between business or brand or community or public figure. So I'm basically a business. So I'm going to get started, and Facebook's going to ask you to enter some details about your business. So nice and easy. Oops, can't spell. Kim's Marketing Services. That's my business name. And for category, I'm going to pick marketing agency. So if you're not sure about the category, that's okay. Just type in some keywords related to your business, and, Facebook will give you those prompts. And I'm going to put in my business address here, nice and easy. And if you don't have an office, that's okay. You can just enter in any address. Facebook just wants to validate that you're an actual person with a business, so you can click the hide your address button. And what I want to do here is put in my mobile number as well. So nice and easy, 4 key details there, continue. And that's essentially the main details you need to get started. It's very easy. There's going to be a couple more steps here that Facebook's going to ask us to complete. So we can always skip these steps if we're not quite ready. But now Facebook's going to prompt us to add a profile picture. So you'll see on the left here of the top of the Facebook page, that's a profile picture, and that's what it would like you to upload. So more often than not, it will be a business's brand or their avatar, but I don't have one. So what I'm going to do for today is I'm just going to upload a photo of myself in lieu of doing that, so people know who I am and can come contact me. And the second photo here you'll see is the larger photo, and that's called a cover image. So what I'm going to do is upload a picture of my office, but what that might be for some people, you might want to showcase your products or a team photo, or, even a photo of a promo that you're running at the moment. And this third step, lastly, it's online bookings and whether you want to set that up. So it will actually be very relevant to me as a service-based business, but I'm going to skip this step for now because I know it needs a little bit more thinking behind it. And there you basically have it. Oh, look at that. Amazing. So you'll see the profile picture's gone in on the top left there. The cover image is nice and big, and my business name's just under my profile picture as well, Kim's Marketing Services. So Facebook, you'll see, is already prompting me to do some more to my page. So setting myself up for success, as they've called it. And Facebook will continue to do that. It'll prompt you to, build a better page. But essentially, that's the structure of the page there. It's nice and easy, guys. Now, thinking back to the rating that you've given yourself, how do you sort of feel? The steps are very, very basic. So just to quickly recap, all we've done is we've, typed in our business name, we've entered in a business category, put in our contact details, and then we've added a couple of pictures, and then we've created our page. So it's very, very simple. You can see on the left here, there's more of a menu to edit there. Your feed is simply in the center of your page, and you can do other things on the right-hand side here. You can always go to edit page info or settings if you do need to update it, or if you've made a mistake at any time. That's nice and easy to do. And essentially that's it, guys. You're set up. So well done. It's very easy. So that's it, guys. Thank you all for joining me. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Marketing Entourage, and like us on Facebook as well, because what we'll be doing over the next couple of weeks is building some more videos on how to really create that online presence for your business. So make sure to follow, and we'll keep you in the loop there. Bye for now, guys.